Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call. Today, Thursday, the 13th of April, on the eve of a long weekend leading into the Easter break. Before we do get started, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, so let us kick off. Let's see what's happened overnight in the UK. We saw the GBP USD spike through that 125 psychological mark after the latest UK jobs report revealed that a strong earning growth was on, and that number came in at 2.3%. We are now back at our tried and tested resistance line. We've taken a few trades off this level. Question is, will we break it or will we get another short-in opportunity? Let me show you. Let's have a quick look. This is what I'm talking about. We've already taken a couple of trades off this line. We are right there again now. So now the question mark is, will we finally break it, or will we get another short opportunity? Let's wait for price action. Let's see what it tells us before we can make any decisions on that one. In Canada, Canada had the most news overnight. We had the monetary policy report, the rate statements, the press conference, and also we had oil inventories as well, which all affected the Canadian dollar. Well, what happened was basically the Canadian dollar soared, and pretty much on the back of the Bank of Canada's monetary policy announcement. Rates, of course, remained unchanged at 0.5%, but the Bank of Canada upgraded their economic forecast, which allowed investors to really overlook the slide in oil at the moment. As a consequence, we saw the US CAD drop around about 90 odd pips. So there was a really heavy movement there, and a lot of very positive news for the Canadian dollar. So that's pretty much all that happened yesterday. It's time now to have a look at our chart of the day. And the chart that I have found today is it's the Aussie Swiss on a daily chart. Now you can see here I found us somewhat of a support level. We've had one, two bounces off this level. We are there again now. The question remains, will we break this level down or can we hold? We can also see that we've got an inside candle set up here. I've highlighted for us in yellow. So essentially we're ready to go here. So we can place our pending order. If we do break on the upside, we're in. And let's see what happens. So this one is our chart of the day. It's the Aussie Swiss franc on a daily chart. All right, moving into the last session before the Easter break. What do we have coming up tonight in the session? Well, starting off at 11:30 today, we have Aussie dollar employment change numbers. So this one, keep an eye out. Aussie dollar will be affected by this one. At 10:30 tonight, we have manufacturing sales in Canada, PPI in the US, and also unemployment claims in the US. That's all at 10:30. Midnight, we have the consumer sentiment from the US. At 12:30, we have Governor Pollock's speaking again for the Canadian dollar. And of course, we have the China trade balance, which is unscheduled, so it could happen any time. Keep an eye out on it around about 11 o'clock China time, which that makes that about 1 p.m. our time, but it's tentative. It could happen at any time. All right, guys, as always, please feel free to contact us. If you do have any questions, follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. I hope you all have a fantastic long weekend. Happy Easter. There will be no daily call. Friday and Monday. I will next speak to you on Tuesday when we return from the break. The markets are still open, so keep an eye out, but I'll be taking a break. Hope you all have a great long weekend. I'll speak to you on Tuesday on the daily call, and that's bye for now. Take care.